A Suncatcher for all ages. The materials you need for this project are glass beads, clear Elmer's glue, and a round lid. For arrangement and fitting, lay out your beads inside the lid before you glue. Clear the beads off and squeeze enough clear glue inside the lid so it covers the bottom. The flat side should be facing down on the table. You need the edges of the lid to hold your stones in. Now place your beads inside the lid of glue. It's good to have them touched to make it easier for it to pop out of the lid when the piece is dry. After you finish your design, squirt some more clear glue around it and over it in order to solidify it. Okay, this is the hard part because you can't touch it. You have to let it sit for a long time, 4 to 5 days. It has to be completely dry for the next step to happen. And after waiting what feels like forever, and the Suncatcher is dried, carefully peel it out from the lid. When you pull your piece out, if you see any holes that formed in it, you can use one of them to run a string through. Or if you don't have any holes, you can easily put a dab of hot glue on the back, add some string, so you're able to hang your Suncatcher in the window.